Hello guys, and welcome in another video. Today I'm gonna explain you how to repair the pannier in case you break it. So the most common damage on the pannier are for sure the scratch on the plastic, and using you might open even a hole. And this one is the first problem that you have to solve it. So the way to solve it is using epoxy or any kind of glue that is enough strong to create a sort of surface. And today I explain how to do it in this small video.
Yes, there are many ways. So today we're gonna check another way. So now is temporary repair with duct tape. But it's not the best way to repair it, because underneath we have a huge cut from yeah, you can see it. Now there is duct tape behind as well. So what I'm gonna do today is putting some epoxy over here, wait that it dry, and put some epoxy inside. So sorry, today I'm gonna show to us how to do it. So sorry, please. So this is compound A and this one is compound B, and this one is the spade to mix it over here. So now I'm gonna break compound B. Okay, I think is enough. Now some compound A and some inside. Okay, I think like this will be enough. So what we have to do is mix it. It's not open yet, so this one will make a sort of protection. I think it's the best way to repair it. I don't see any other way, unless you don't use the silicone.
You see, it's easy to repair the pannier. Another problem that you can get it is breaking the rivet on the frame of the pannier. This one could be a bit stressful, because repair this one in the middle of nowhere could be a real problem. So I always suggest to carry with you some nuts and some M5 or some screw with a flat head, because in case you break it, you can't do anything, and the only things that you can put inside is a plastic tie. So if you want to have a permanent solution, you might need a washer, screw and nuts. In the video I show how to do it.
In case happen this, what should I do? So you don't need to be worried, because when you have this, it's fine. So in this case, do like this. You put this one inside and you push. Then, since it's a bit hard, you might need another thing. And this one, basically inside I have a rubber, so this one is not gonna remove. So here is done. Let's show you inside. Inside is like this, so pretty good.
Repairing the rivet is not so hard. You just have to remove it and put another screw, so it's not difficult. Another common problem on the pannier is the hanger. Break it, the hook. I heard quite often, and it happens quite often with the ortelieb. So when you buy a pannier, make sure which brand choose it, because some pannier are more weak than other. I don't want to say MA6 is the strongest pannier ever, because it's not true, but I can't say even ortelieb is the best one, because I saw some ortelieb destroy it. So what I can suggest to do is carry some spare hook, like two or three, it depends how safe you feel. What you have to do is always check if are in a correct position, if the weight is balanced, if they are not wobbling, because some of this situation might affect the durability of your pannier. Also the way of crashing or putting the bike on the wall might affect the hanger and the hook and every kind of part of the bike. So take care of your pannier. Another thing that you could break it for sure is handle to remove the pannier. I don't know if it happens to other guy, but the solution that I found is using a piece of jump cord used in the construction, and I found really good because Sori is using this for over 6 months, so far is fine. It's icon in Australia, Japan and also New Zealand. So guys, I hope this video was interesting and you found the solution that you needed. I'm sure on YouTube there are not many videos about how to repair the panniers. So if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to don't miss the next one, and see you on the next one. Cheers from Japan. Bye bye.